In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily mirror or flip an image on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then you can just open up a photo which you want to flip, and once you've done that, hit on Edit, and then towards the bottom of the screen you can easily find that crop icon. You can just tap on it, and then in order to flip that image you should tap at that icon at the top left. You can just tap on it to flip an image in that simple way. If you want to save changes, you can hit at Done, or if you want to revert the changes, you can get into edit mode again and then just hit at Revert and revert to original. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.